Hey students, this is Abney Learning back with a new video. Today's topic is going to be letters of recommendation for medical school. So to start off, we'll just start talking about what is a letter of recommendation and why do medical schools require them in the first place. So a letter of recommendation is essentially a personalized letter written by an individual close to you that can speak on your ability to become a successful medical student. This could be a boss from a job you've worked at during college, a professor whose class that you particularly enjoyed during college, or the principal investigator at a research laboratory that you've done some work in. And this is just to name a few. There's many more positions that could write you letters. So why do medical schools require them in the first place? Essentially, they want to know why they should choose you. They want to hear from a few different people why you should be the candidate that they want to admit to their medical school. So in order for this letter to be impactful, there's a few different things that you'd want in the letter. First, you don't want this to be generic at all. Medical schools get thousands of applicants per year, and so this is one way for you to put the best foot forward and stick out in their eyes. So how you can do this? Get a letter from someone who knows you well. This could be a professor whose office hours you went to a lot, or a PI that you worked with closely. They can be more specific in their letter, and eventually this will lead to a stronger essay. Now let's get into what you really need to know, which are the requirements. So at the bare minimum, medical schools will ask for 3 different letters. This will be 2 from science professors, so biology, chemistry, physics, biochemistry, any of those, and then 1 non-science letter. So this could be any other class that you've taken during college. However, if you want to be a strong applicant and stand out, we suggest you have those 3 letters and one of those be from a class in your major. So for example, if you're a psych major, you could choose your 1 non-science letter to be from a professor in that class. And in addition to those 3 letters, we also suggest that you get 2 letters from extracurricular experiences. This is just because you want to show medical schools that people can speak to your abilities both in and outside of the classroom. So for example, you could get one from the research PI we talked about earlier because you worked with them for several hours on a research project. Or you could get one from a volunteer coordinator at a hospital you volunteered at. All of these letters combined will make you a strong applicant to medical schools, and this is what you want to put forward. That brings us to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know if you have any questions about anything we've talked about or anything else regarding medical schools admissions letter process.